Ready to go see some bear? Are you sure? Yeah, we're going to the Roaring Fork Motor Trail, so hopefully we'll see some bear over there.
Look at that line. It's already weirdly corralled.
It's busy. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning.
I think I was supposed to try this thing over here, Aiden, on the left. That orange thing. Crap ton of people out, isn't there?
See if you can see the people up there, Aiden, on the sky bridge. See them?
Oh, yeah. Where the heck do you see a bridge? Oh, way up there. Aiden, look at the new Ripley's, Aiden.
Whoa.
Look at it.
What they doing?
I can't see. I don't know if there's...
There's the beginning of the trail. Hopefully we see a bear or three.
Doesn't look like many people are out here yet. So.
It's real nice in here. Say, I am nice, Aiden.
The sign said Roaring Fork Motor Trail 2.7.
Maybe they merge.
It'll become one way shortly.
Ray, this is your first hike in the mountains. Mountains, Aiden.
Look, this will tell you what's where.
After the dense clover trail, you will see the cabin, cornfields, and mill of the swan of native cornfields.
What do you see, Ray? It's Ray's first hike in the Great Smoky Mountains. Bud Ogle Farm. I saw the water. This is the nature trail. It's a little side trip. A lot of people out here this morning. Careful where we walk. Here's the house. Bud Ogle's place. Comes Aiden. Look, Ray, do you like this house? What do you think, Aiden? Can you imagine living in here?
Yes. I don't think anyone likes it.
I don't eat. I don't.
There's a mill right out back.
I know.
People used to live, huh? Long time ago. Long time ago. I don't know if we're supposed to be in here. It's all wrapped in caution tape.
I know.
It doesn't say you can't.
Yeah.
It doesn't say you can.
It was really muddy out here.
Yeah.
Here's the barn. Stalls for their animals. This was the Bud Ogle Farm on the nature trail, so we're gonna continue on and see what else we can find out here. But it's a real nice day. It's gonna storm later on this afternoon, so we're gonna get as much in as we possibly can. But beautiful out here in the Smoky Mountains. All right, we're gonna keep going and we'll check back with you here in just a few minutes. Partially. Not really.
Tree. Let's see.
You see the bear? You see the bear?
Hi everybody, it's another adventure of Ray Ray and Dad Dad. Say hi. We are in the Great Smoky Mountains this week, so you're going to see plenty of Smoky Mountain adventures. We're on the Roaring Fork Trail right now. We just saw a bear. We're going to have a lot of fun this week, so stay tuned for a lot of videos. Beautiful. Ray Ray wants to go touch the water. Let's go down here. What are you doing, Aiden? Is it cold? A lot of butterflies.
It's crazy.
There's Mama. Yucky. It's pretty. Alright, let's try this. Alright. Welcome to another adventure of Ray Ray and Dad. As you can see, we are in the Great Smoky Mountains this week, so we have plenty of videos, a great collection for you. So stay tuned, you never know what's going to happen.